Hey everyone, welcome guys. Welcome. As you guys know, this evening we're going to go over stocks, options, and ETFs. Stocks, options, and ETFs. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. All right. Hey Bruce, welcome Bruce. Hey Solomon, welcome. Welcome guys. So let's go ahead and get started here. All right. So again, stocks, options, and ETFs had a great day in the equity markets. So let's go over that. All right. Hey, Betty. Welcome, Betty. Welcome. All right. So we'll start with the NASDAQ this evening. All right. So NASDAQ made a really nice move up. All right. All right. Let's bring it over. All right. We're going to draw out our resistance right here. All right. And if you guys look at those candles, right, really nice move to the upside. All right, hold on. Really nice move to the upside there. Once. All right. Hey, Bruce, welcome, Bruce. All right. Okay. All right. So gapped up today. Nice move here. We are watching. We'll watch this area here. It's not a concern. It's not a concern. But as we move higher, we've got to watch these levels here. All right. So I would say we might get some consolidation in this area in here. All right. But we'll wait and see. Not a concern yet. All right. We're just breaking out. All right. So we nicely getting in that markup phase for the NASDAQ. All right. For the NASDAQ. So very good price action. You guys should have seen your technology stocks move higher today. All right. All right. We had great follow through with the IWM. So the Russell, right? Great follow through with the Russell. All right. All right. So great follow through right here with the Russell. Buy signal here, right here. And this is where it failed before, right? Price totally collapsed. So we are back in that area again, but it looks good this time. It looks good to hold. All right. All right. So here we are here. All right. This is where it failed before, and we are near that previous high here. So looks good. It's holding. Looks good. As long as these markets hold, as long as they hold, we should be good. All right. We should be good. So that's the Russell. And here is the S&P. All right, so here's the S&P right here. Got a nice buy signal yesterday on a break of resistance. Here's your resistance line right here. Nice break of resistance. Here's your buy signal, came in right here. And here we are today, finished up for the day. The Dow is still holding. All right, so no breakout yet on the Dow. All right, but still looks good for a breakout. Finished flat for the day. Down, I think down a little bit, but down to flat for the day. So at least it's holding, right? At least it's holding. So here is the Dow. And it's still holding nicely here, all green candles. And hopefully if we can get an update tomorrow, right? If we can have another update tomorrow, we could see the Dow move higher. And as you guys know, we always want to pay attention to the indexes first, then the sector. We'll look at the VIX also, and then your stocks. So here we are right here. Here is the Dow. It's sitting right there near resistance. Okay, so one nice day up. All right, we could break through here and get a buy signal on the Dow. And that happens, we'll have all four of the major indexes with buy signals. Okay, so equity markets are looking good. The VIX moved up a bit. It fell below 18 earlier today. Well, no, yesterday was at 17 and change, and it closed at 18. But that's fine. All right, it just pulled back a bit, but that's fine. All right, we need that VIX to come down, though. We need that VIX to come down. Ideally, we need it to get below low. I would say anything below 20, but low teens, 13, 14, 15, right? And just stay there. Just stay there. I want to take a look at the Dow on the monthly time frame. So if you guys look here on the monthly time frame, all right, here is the all-time highs right here on the monthly time frame. Right here, all-time highs. All right, that's about 37,000. Yeah, right around 37,000. Okay, and we closed today. What did we close at? 34,000. So we're still about 3,000 away on the Dow. The S&P is moving nicely, though. All right, purpose, support, and resistance. So that is a concern. We'll see how the Dow reacts to the purpose, support, and resistance. Whenever we get purpose, support, and resistance, that means we get in lower highs and lower lows within the trend. All right, but green candles. So we would like to see if we can get tomorrow a nice big update on the Dow. Right, that would be great. Right, great going into next week. Right, so but buyers are still in control right now on the monthly time frame. All right, let's take a look at the sectors. All right, so let's take a look at the sectors. Services did really good today, up about a little over 6%. Home construction did well, 3%. Discretionary did 3%. Tech, 2.7%. Real estate, 2.3%. Home builders, 1.95%. Biotech, 1.8%. All right, so all moved up nicely. Gold is number one right now, and there are some basic material stocks, right? But the best trade right now is tech. The best trade right now is tech. Okay, biotech right here, buy signal here, right, moving up nicely. Services, nice move. This was the buy. This was the your resistance all the way down here. So here was your resistance here, buy signal here, gapped up all the way up here. Really good movement. All right, really good movement in services. And then I want to go here. Technology gapped up today. Technology gapped up. Buy signal was here yesterday. Gapped up today. Really looking nice. Okay. So let's take a look at the stocks. We sent this out earlier. Stocks are still holding, retraced a bit. Some of the technology stocks retraced a bit, but still nice price action. All right. Meta, here's Meta right here. I think that was Meta, no, ALGN was the best performing today, up 26%. So it closed nice gap up. Was anyone in this trade? Anyone took this trade? ALGN. Anyone took this trade? Nice move here. This was great for options. We talked about this, right? Great for options. Gapped up. This stock is expensive too. It closed yesterday at 281, gapped up 359, up 26% for the day. Nice move. Let's take a look here. CDNA gapped up also. Nice move here, up 11%. All right. EDIT gapped up also, about 10%. All right. Another one here, NGST also gapped up. And we'll leave these in. We'll follow these. We'll track these. And we'll add more to them. All right. Um, and BBIO, a nice move up. All right. So definitely moving. And that's biotech services, right? Services. Meta. All right. Meta. Gapped up really nice. All right. This was good for options. All right, good for options. Hey, Dean, welcome, Dean. All right, good for options. Let's see here. Another one here, real. All right. All right. Nice move here in real. That's up 12% for the day. Hey, Joe, welcome, Joe. All right.
Thank
So
you, Dave.
nice moves. Hello, hello. Another one here. All right. QRTEP. Nice. Look at this big candle, guys. All right, that was up for 11% for the day. All right, so great moves, great moves. And then technology did extremely well. All right, and you guys just notice, I'm going to go through here and just notice how they're moving up, right? How they're moving up through that markup phase. That's what we want, right? Just notice how they're moving up. This is really nice here. Nice markdown phase. All right. Nice markdown phase. Look at that. Nice markdown phase. Buyers are coming in. If this market holds, right, they should move really nice. All right. Here. All right. Look how they're moving through that markup phase. All right. Learn how they move so that you guys can always catch. Once you do this, right? Once you guys do this, you'll be able to do it again. All right. You'll be able to do it again and catch different rotations, right? Different sectors as they rotate, especially those of you who are using Heat Seeker, Stock Boss, and Bull Master, right? All right. Another one here, right? Moving up to that markup phase. Look at this one right here. All right. These are all the ones. We haven't removed any, right? So these are the ones from yesterday that had buy signals, right? So look at that, right? So they're moving. Solomon, look at your riot, right? So you should have gotten a nice pop today. You're trading options on that, right, Solomon? All right. So riot. All right. All of these are moving. All of these are moving. All of these are moving. Right. Nice move higher here. So these big candles. So by the time, guys, if we don't get in near that buy signal, all right, if we don't get in by the time they move up like this, it's too late. All right, it's too late. All right. So we want to catch them early before they move. All right. Or you trading the underline. Okay. All right, Solomon. That's good. Still good move in Riot. Still good move. All right. So guys, we want to make sure we get on these trades early before they move, right? Before they move, right? Even this one here is too late. Even this one is too late. Okay. They're all moving. They're all moving. All right. They're all moving higher. This one here is moving higher. All right. Buy signal here. This one is still okay to buy, right? Buy signal came in at 785, 1877. I don't know. I don't know. All right. That's gone. All right. Look at this here. That's gone. All right. Okay. So let's see what's down here. Let's see which ones are down here. All right. So this one here still held. No, nothing is collapsing. Let's see. All right. Down. Okay. But still holding. Right. Still holding. No red candles. Right. No red candles. These are down, but they're still holding. Right. No white candles. No red candles. All right. So still holding. All right. So very good. Look at this gap up here. All right. So very good. Very good. Very good. Hey, Zaire. Welcome, Zaire. Welcome. Welcome. All right. And I want to go over you guys, your picks to what you're looking at. But I want to take a look at, I want to see what's going on here in Heat Seeker. So let's see what's going on in Heat Seeker. They should have ran today. All right, so we ran the second, let me run it. So we have 144 stocks in Heat Seeker. That's a lot. All right, we do have some basic materials. Let me see if we have. If you guys want to take, you want to play around with gold, right? Basic materials, right? Let me see here. This is iron and steel. That's a decent one here. ALTO. But if you really want to be in technology, this one has left. But we're starting to see more basic material come up. Okay. But if you guys look here, so from here, hold on. So from here all the way here, that's healthcare. And the majority is biotech. Okay, so biotech. Okay, so we have a lot of biotech. All right. Now, if we look here, because we all have a limited amount of capital, so we can't trade everything. All right, so biotech, that's a big mover. We've added services, so look here. All right, and this is what they're trading right now. All right, services, all of these are services here. All right, so there's more. So I would say healthcare, number 3, services, number 2. And when I say healthcare, biotech, and then technology, number 1. And you guys saw what technology is doing. So let's go down further. And look at this here. All of this here is technology. All of this here is technology. Okay. So off the page. Let's bring this down a bit here. Let's see if we can. All right. So all of this is technology all the way down. All the way down is technology. Okay. See, look here. Transportation 2, utilities 1. They're not buying transportation right now. And they're not buying utilities. Okay. So we want to be in the right sector. All right. So all of these here, look at that. All of this technology, right? All of this is technology. All right. So lots of opportunity. I'm going to run through these quickly. I just want to see if anything new pop up. And those of you, you've got Heat Seeker and you've got Stock Boss, you want to do this even if you have current positions, right? Even if you have current positions, go through this exercise, right? Go through this exercise because you never know, guys. You never know what you might find, all right? All right, so just what you want to do is just start here and just go through them. It doesn't take long. All right. And when things are moving like this, don't even wait for I wouldn't put anything on your watch list because we've got buy signals in all these indexes. All right. So things are moving. So don't wait. You're looking for buy signals, right? So you're looking for buy signals. All right. Okay. So we're going to go through these and we're looking for buy signals, new buy signals. right? That came today. Here is one here. Not a great chart, right? A lot of consolidation in here, all right? But you got a buy signal here, all right? Nothing here. Nothing here. Here we got a buy signal today on this one here. A little choppy in here, all right? But buy signal came in today. You're looking for new buy signals. Those of you that trade with Hit Seeker, right? Bullmaster, or Stock Boss, you guys you want to do this, go through this exercise every day, all right? And you're looking for buy signals that came in for the day in technology. Here's one that came in today. Nice one here. All right. And that is, what is that? That is PHUN. Buy signal came in today, guys. Buy signal came in today. All right. Technology. All right. Here's another one here. Buy signal came in today. All right. Came in today. You guys want to do this? All you've got to do once a day. Right. You get home, end of the day, right? In the evening, run through these, right? And you're looking for new buy signals, all right? And by doing this, you guys will not chase any of these stocks, right? You'll be right on new buy signals. You can enter, right? You can enter with the underline. This one here, it's 363, 365. You can get the underline, okay? You don't have to trade options, all right? It's cheap enough. You don't have to trade options. All right. So buy signal came in today. We're looking for buy signals that came in today. This one here, buy signal came in today. All right. Nice markdown phase. Buy signal came in right at 317. It's at 335. That's a fresh one. You can get in tomorrow. All right. NINMVIS. Okay. All right. Got a buy signal here. That's how we get on these buy signals early. MVIS. All right. Here's another one here. Buy signal came in. That looks like signal came in yesterday. Gapped up a little bit today. Still very good. Nice markdown phase. All right. We're looking for buy signals today. This one here. Look at this one here. All right. MAPS. Perfect buy signal. Look at that. I see that. Perfect buy signal. All right. All right. MAPS. All right. So Dean, you should be doing this, right? Solomon, Bruce, you guys have Heat Seeker, right? Stock
Yeah,
Boss.
I have about 7 positions already after doing that.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Very good. Okay. But that's what you guys want to do. You guys want to run through these, right? Run through them every evening, especially now as things are moving. All right, as things are moving, once a day. At the end, your heat seeker runs 4:30 Eastern time every day, right? So and then if you can run it manually too. You can run it manually. All right, but we want to go through. You never know. Like this one here is a good one, right? This buy signal came in today, and that stock is $1.47. All right, it fell from, if we just stay on the daily time frame, it fell from about $14, guys. Okay, all right, and this is technology, right? Technology stocks, and you saw what the Nasdaq did today. All right, let's keep going. And if you run this every, now I know you can't trade all of them, right? But you just looking, you're looking, right? You're looking for the best opportunities. And it's amazing. Once you guys do this and you know how to do this, right? And I'm not saying if you're brand new to do this, right? You've done this for a little while, right? You'll find the capital, right? You'll find the capital, right? Right? We have traders that will work overtime and do whatever they got to do, right, to get the capital to so that they don't miss these opportunities. Okay. All right. Let's see here. We want buy signals for the day. Buy signals for the day. Here's another one right here. Right. Buy signal came in today. Right here. Right. Nice markdown phase. You can't get any better than this. Nice markdown phase. And right here. All right. Buy signal came in right here. 78 cents. 78 cents, guys. 78 cents. Fell from, look here, fell from $30. $30, 78 cents. All right. And buy signal, look at this. Nice buy signal. Came in today. Technology, right? We're in the right sector, right? And no buy signal today. That's JetBlue. No buy signal today. All right. So that's what you guys want to do every day, right? When we have buy signals like this on the equity markets, things are moving, right? If you have Heat Seeker with Stock Boss or Bull Master, go through this exercise. And you're looking for a really good markdown phase, buy signal for the day. Buy signal for the day. All right. Let me just run this here. In Bull Master, and those of you who've been here for a while, we've had times when there's nothing. We might have 20 stocks in Bull Master. All right. We might have 20 stocks in Bull Master. And now we are 200, little over 200 stocks. All right. Let's take a look at technology. We're looking for buy signals. Oh, look at healthcare. Look at healthcare. Let's take a look at. I just want to see here. Buy signals for the day. Healthcare, biotech. Buy signals for the day. Here's one here. Buy signals for the day. Another one here. Buy signal for the day. Another one here. Buy signal for the day, guys. Buy signal for the day. Not very good here, but buy signal for the day. Another one here. Buy signal for the day. Decent markdown phase. Buy signal for the day. All right. This is how you find them, right? You find those great buy signals by doing this. Buy signal right here on the day. Another one here. Buy. No, that's not good. That's too high. And you can go through them. All right. And let's see here. We'll go through technology, and then I'll open the floor. All right. Technology. This is in Bull Master. We're looking for buy signals for the day. Buy signals for the day. Let's go back. This is Microsoft. Someone had asked about Microsoft. Very choppy. Very choppy. I think it was Stella. Very choppy. I signal here for the day. HCP. Let's take a look at the chart here. All right, a little choppy, but it's getting past this resistance, right? This is not bad here, right? This is a bit of a concern here, but buy signal on the day. Buy signal on the day. That's going to be your best entry, but we have to go through these, right? Go through these. Buy signal on the day is going to be on your best entry, especially around this time, right? Courtney, how do you know how to get out? When to get out? That's a good question. So we'll get out on a break of support. All right. So we would get out. Let me find one. What's that? H. We'll get out on when the price breaks support. Okay. So as an example, we'll use this here. So we always want to buy on a break of resistance, sell on a break of support. All right. So let me draw it out here. This is not a great example, but we can use this. All right. All right. So buy on a break of resistance, green candles, sellers came in. All right. We can either get out, right? Here is support here. It's not great support, but all right. I either get out, previous resistance becomes support. So this is our first area here. Hold on, let me draw it out. All right, so we bought here, Courtney, bought here. Price broke resistance, failed, right? Failed. Red candle here. That would be our sell signal to get out. All right. We have another area to get out where, so red candle, we want to get out on a break of support. And then we have a sell signal by the system. Okay. So this white arrow here is our sell signal to exit. White arrow pointing to this candle right here. And this little white triangle, I know it's hard to see. All right. That's our cue to get out. Okay. So that's how we get out. Okay, so we buy on a break of resistance, sell, right? Buy on a break of resistance, green candles, get out, sell on a break of support, red candle, all right? And definitely get out on the white arrow. Okay, so we would enter here, right? As long as it's got green candles, we would stay in. All right, we would stay in that trade until we get a red candle or a sell signal. Okay, good question. Good question. All right. Yeah, it's great to get in, right? But yeah, when do we get out? How do we get out, right? That's perhaps even more important. All right. They're both important, but getting out is critical too. So good question. You're welcome, Courtney. You're welcome. All right. Okay, let's keep going here. So I want you guys to do this, right? Every evening. All right. Every evening. All right. As long as these markets are moving, all right, you never know when you find a really good opportunity. All right. And when you do this, if you do that once, it's only once a day. You got to do it once a day. You guys will be on top of what's moving, right? You'll know. You do it enough time, you'll know. Okay, you'll know the symbols, and you'll know, right? You'll know what's moving. All right. Okay. Just a few more. Just a few more. All right. Here, buy signal came in on the day. Buy signal came in on the day. All right. You'll catch them early. You'll catch them early. They want to follow the rules, right? You want to make sure they're going through that markdown phase. This came in yesterday. All right. Making sure here is a nice one here. All right. Nice markdown phase consolidation up in this area and here, but buy signal came in today. All right. So there's no reason to miss these. Buy signal, another one here. Buy signal came in today. Nice markdown phase. All right. Even if you get it back up to this area in here, you've done well. Another one here. Buy signal came in today. Another one here. All right. You guys get the idea. All right. Another one here. Buy signal came in today. Okay. So those of you who trade in Stock Boss, Bullmaster with Heat Seeker, that's what we want to do. All right. That's what once a day. That's all it takes. Once a day. All right. I'm going to open the floor. Any questions for me about this or anything else or any symbols you guys want me to take a look at? Any symbols you guys want me to take a look at? Any trades? Any questions? Any comments? No one? All right. What stocks are you guys in? What stocks are you guys in? I know, Bruce, we went over some of your trades already. Joe, are you in anything?
No, Dave, but I'm not. I'm in Forex, but this is definitely interesting and it's piquing my interest a lot. So, um, basically, in this, we get in the morning on the daily, and we get out by the day's end, or we
No.
hold it overnight.
Joe, I thought you had Stock Boss.
Yeah, but it's not working properly.
Okay, what's wrong with it?
I don't know. It's not tracking right now.
Okay, well, I need to know that.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we get off, things are moving right now. So we
Yeah.
we need to take care of that.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
when we get off, let me make a note here. When we get off, we'll get on any desk and take care of that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you got to let me know.
Sure.
All
Sure.
right. So Joe.
But this is incredible entry points.
Yeah. So they're great entry points. So what we want to do, and a good practice, really a good practice, is to once a day when we've got buy signals,
Yeah.
right, on the major indexes, right, the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell.
Yes.
Um, it's a good practice to go through, right? Go through. You don't have to go through all of them. Just look at the top sectors, right? And
Yeah.
you will know which sectors are the top sectors, right? By the amount, the volume. Now we can always look at our sectors here, right? But you can easily tell, right? Just scroll down and you can see, you know, which sector it's moving based on how many stocks, right? Which sectors have the most stocks, right? Like services, healthcare, and technology. All
And
right.
yesterday was technology moving, right?
Yeah, technology. Well, they'll go back and forth, right? They'll go, but technology, biotech, and services. That's it.
Yeah.
All right. That's what's dominating Heat Seeker right now.
Hmm.
Okay. But what I wanted to go through this to show you guys that if you do it once a day after the market closed, don't do it during while the market is open. Wait until everything is done, the market's closed, right? Do it in the evening, right? After you guys are done, and just go through them. And what you're looking for is those buy signals with good markdown phases. Good markdown phases, buy signal for that day. For that day, that will make your job a lot easier. A lot easier. Okay, so Joe, um, buddy,
Yes.
yeah, you need your stock boss up and
Yeah.
running. All
Yeah.
right, up
Okay.
and running. All right, um, so um, and we can still trade Forex. You can still use your monster scalper, trade Forex. You know, but the focus really should be on stocks right now. That's the biggest opportunity right now.
Yes, it is.
Okay, that's your biggest opportunity right now. All
Mm.
right, all right. Okay, so
Yeah.
get with me after. We'll take care of. Yeah. I'm
Yes.
sure it's an easy. I'm sure it's an easy fix. Okay,
Okay. Thank
all
you.
right. Okay, bud. Okay. So let's see here. So Betty wants to take a look at Google. Okay, let's do that first. All right, very good. And I think you sent me a text on, I think it was Google. And you got in, you in it, right, Betty? You in it? You in it? I- Um, so if you're in it, um, keep in mind this is where you are. You're in the box. All right, you're in the box. So you now in between, right? This area here, right? Right. A lot of consolidation. So now you in that area here. Here's your price right here. Okay. So the goal is, right? The goal is to get above here. To get above here. You might get some consolidation in here. Okay. You're not in it yet. Okay. You're not in it yet. Okay. The buy signal came in here at a little over $100. It's at 108 is where it's closed. Um, whew, I don't know. I don't know. You waiting on earnings? Okay. 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 All right. I don't know about this one. You have a lot of consolidation in here. If you had gotten in here, right, that would be better. If you had gotten in yesterday, I don't know about today. I don't know about from the price action today, right? It might if we up when is earnings? When is earnings? Betty, do you know when earnings? And that's why we don't follow this um the buy signal would have been here perfect yesterday. Nice break. But it could gap up again. If it gaps up again tomorrow, then look how far it is. All right. Or not even gap up, but if it makes a big move tomorrow, all of a sudden you might be at 115 and look how far away you are from that buy signal. Okay. So I don't like this kind of too late and a lot of consolidation in here. Now let's see if we did this. Let's bring I like to bring the chart. There are better opportunities out there. See here. Okay, when we look at this is why we want very nice. Doesn't have to be perfect, but we want these markdown phases to be clean as possible. And this one isn't clean. Okay. You see the problem. You see all of this consolidation. See how it had a tough time getting through there. It's going to have a tough time getting through here. All right. And then up here. it's just what it is, right? Up here is going to have all of this consolidation, is a lot of indecision. All right. So right, so all of this area here could, right, hinder your price movement here. Okay, so we want that markdown phase to be smooth, really smooth, nice price action. Okay, so don't like it as much. I don't like it as much, Betty. All right. Oh, could it make it through there? Could it make it through there? Could it just really move? But we don't trade. We don't trade based on that, right? Okay. So an Apple, we'll take a look at Apple. Okay, so they announce. Okay, so Betty Bruce said they announced after closing, and it's down. It's down in. Okay, thanks, Bruce. They missed earnings, and it's down in after hours. All right, so yeah, I wouldn't. There are better opportunities. Okay. Apple, let's take a look at Apple. All right. Horrible chart. Horrible chart. Not good at all. All right. Look at this. A lot of consolidation, a lot of indecision. All right. A buy signal came in here today. All right. If you guys look at the buy signals here, all right, this was a buy signal here, here. This was a buy signal here. This was a buy signal here. This was a buy signal here. All right. So these buy signals, here was a buy signal here. All right. So it has terrible, the chart is terrible for Apple. All right. It's a horrible chart. If you can clear, let me take a look. Let's take a look at a longer time frame, because there's no clarity here. All right. Okay. So Betty, for it to get, you see here, all of this, right? That's on the weekly time frame. This right here was much better trading here, but it's been caught in this. You've got to get past all of that. So I wouldn't touch it. Very risky right now. So it would have to get, you might not want to hear this. Okay. But it's got to get past 177. Right? It's got to clear all of this area here. All right. If it breaks up, the system might give a buy signal in this area right in here. All right. But to really see it perhaps move again above 176. 176, even at the high, 180. Okay, so you can't do anything here. Nothing here yet. Okay, nothing here yet. Yeah, very choppy chart. Very, very. Yeah. If you look at this chart here, compare to what we've been looking at, right? Big difference. Now, could you get a trade? Could you take that buy signal? That buy signal could go up, but you've got, it's tough. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. Okay. The best case scenario, you could do a range trade, right? You can trade the range. That's best case. Let's see here. So if you want it, if you just have to trade it, right? Here is support. All right. Because I know as traders, you guys have your minds made up sometimes. All right. So we don't count this. Here is support. And then here is resistance here. Here is resistance, 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 resistance. Okay. Here you have a buy signal here. So, you know, you might have to babysit it, watch it, but you could probably get it back up to resistance. Okay. But just know sellers are here, sellers are here, sellers are here, sellers are here. Okay. Even over here, right? Even over here, you got pretty good support right here. So you could do it. All right. Just a lot of work, a lot of work. All right. And let's see here. Okay, Courtney, you've got a few here. Okay, let's go through that. And I am glad you guys have your picks and you're looking at these stocks. That's how we learn. All right. Okay. So TMUS, Courtney, TMUS. All right, nothing here. Nothing here. Very, very choppy. You guys should see that just by looking at it, we should know, right? Just by looking at it, we should know. Nothing here. Okay, nothing here, Courtney. Very choppy, right? And it's trading at the top of the chart here. No trade here. No trade here. All right, let's take a look at the next one here. MO. All right. Nothing here, right? Nothing here. Very, very choppy. You might have a trade if it, you know, if you get a buy signal. Let's bring it out. Very choppy in here. All of these buy signals failed. All right, failed. So no buy signal yet. So nothing here yet, right? If it breaks out a bit, get a buy signal, this might be an opportunity, right? But we don't have, look at it, it collapsed here, all right? And then we're trading near this area. We're not trading it, we're not getting it down in this area here, all right? All right, so, all right. And Ford, let's see. And then watch your sector, okay, Courtney, watch your sector. Make sure that they're in the right sector, okay? So technology, services, all right, technology, services, healthcare, biotech, all right? This is a little better, not perfect, but got a buy signal here, okay? This is tradable. All right, it's got a buy signal here, green candles. Okay, I would like to see that get above, right? Just get above this line, probably 134. All right, get the buyers to build a bit. You got a decent markdown phase here. All right, so much better here. All right. All right. It only fell from, if you look at $1.29 right now, or dollar, what's that? Yeah, $1.29. We want to see a higher range, okay? The high on the daily is only 360. All right, 360. So we want to see it, yeah, 360. We want to see that fall from like 12, 14, $15. Okay. All right. So you don't have a lot of upside. All right. You don't have a lot of upside here. All right. When we get it down at that amount, we want to see that it fell from, you know, we want a 10x, right? So we want to see it fall from. There's no guarantee we'll get 10x, right? But we want to see where we've got more upside potential. All right. So keep that in mind. All right. On the daily time frame. All right. So for the APK. Is that right? OPK. All right, OPK, much better. This one looks much better. Still watch your it's not bad. At 144, it fell from $6. All right. Good markdown phase, much better markdown phase. All right. This one did well. Um, it held support. You got red candles here. Buy signal was here. Buy signal came in at 169. All right. It held support, red candles. We would have gotten out, but you got green candles here. You got a green candle. I would say if you can get another update, all right, you could get in. All right. This could be a good one to get in. All right. But watch, you don't have the system, so be extremely careful. Be extremely, extremely careful. But you've got decent support down here. All right. So if you're going to trade it, right, this is you have to get out, right? You have to put in, get out if it falls below, right? A little bit below. This is your support here. So you're going to have to get out, let's say 119. It hits that support, you're going to have to get out because sellers can get back in, right? Just like they did before. All right. So this is your support right here. This is where price is holding right here. 122. I'll put, get a little bit 119 or so. All right. Gets down there, get out. All right. Get out. All right. Okay. The next one here. This is your best one. This is the best one out of all those. Courtney, this is your best one here. Okay. SOFFI. SOFI. All right, that one's gone. All right, this was a good setup. Nice markdown phase. Look at it here. Nice markdown phase. All right, buy signal came in. Buy signal came in right here. All right, right here. Buy signal came in at 576. It closed at 772. It's too late. Okay, so this one has gone. It's too late. All right. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for sharing your symbols, guys. Okay. Any questions for me? Any questions for me? Any questions? Let me see here. See what we have in the chat here. Okay, Bruce. All right. So WOLF Wolf. Yeah, it is a bit choppy. Let's see here. It's a range trade, right? It's a range trade. So I think we can do better than a range trade, right? Given the market condition. All right, so you've got pretty good support down there. Pretty good resistance. Okay, so let me show you here what you've got. So resistance is here. If we move that back, I'm sure we got support, 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 support. All right, resistance, 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 resistance. All right, and here we are. So you could get a trade to about 120. It's 80, 86. Buy signal here. This looks good here. That buy signal looks good here. Yellow support and resistance. You mentioned that. Okay. That buy signal here. If we do this, right? Buy signal here, buy signal here, buy signal here. We bring that across. That's pretty close. Pretty close. Okay. So you could get a move. Markets hold, right? You could get a move. But it's not for it's a range trade. It's a range trade, right? You're in that box. You're in that box here. All right, you're in that box. So that would be a potential target right up in this area here. Okay, so if and it's $86, you could trade the options on it. right? You can trade the options, but just know that it could break out. Anything can happen, right? It could break out, but just know, right? That's had difficulties breaking through that resistance. Okay, so you don't have clear skies. All right, so just keep that in mind there. All right. Okay, so one more comment here and we'll be done. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, all right. Courtney, you're welcome. You're welcome. Good job. Keep practicing, guys. This is how you learn. Keep practicing, and keep coming too. Keep coming. All right. I will see you guys on, well, I'll end with this for Forex, for our Forex traders, right? Send out a message that there was a move happening in the pound pairs. All right. So be careful with, Forex. Things are still, we're still waiting for things to pick up, but you can get some trades, right? So we sent, I think it was pound dollar here had a decent buy signal. Okay, so that's a trade there you guys can take. It's a little, it's moved a bit more from where we send it out. And then pound, I think it was HKD breaking support right here, sell short signal. So those are two trades that you guys, that whole group is moving. All right, so that's pound ZAR right there. Pound SGD, right? That's sell short signal. It's all the way down here. Do not chase these. All right, pound PLN, right? Sell short signal here, all the way down here. Okay, so they're definitely moving. All right. This is a fairly recent sell short signal. I don't like this. I don't like any of this here. Okay. Pound Swiss give a nice sell short signal right here. It's all the way down there. Okay. So if you guys were in it, great job. Like I said, pound dollar, all right, and HKD, you guys can still get in. Okay. All right, guys, take care. Our stock boss traders, get on this stuff. Stock boss, bullmaster, run your heat seeker once a day. Get those clean, fresh buy signals. Okay. All right, guys, take care. Have a great week.